everyone, welcome back into this channel. Today I will like to show you the way how you can blur the specific area on your video with CapCut application. This video trick could be helping you in enhance the editing style of your video. Here I want to cut this video shorter so that the process could be faster. Now here the thing that you have to do is just go tap into this clip, and you need to make this clip become an overlay or duplicate it first, just by tap into the duplicate and make them become overlay clip. Now we just need to adjusting the position so that they will have the same duration. Now we just need to tap into this back option and go click this effects, click the video effects, and then you just need to tap here blur. Go click search and wait until the effects is just pop up. And I just need to find the blur options that you want to have right here. I would like to get this motion blur, or I think I want to do it the normal one, which is the blur this. And then you just need to go click cancel and go click this checklist button. Now make sure that this effect is applied into the whole video. So you just need to drag these options until it's ending. The next thing you need to do is just go click this back until you've got the option of overlay. So you just need to tap it, click the overlay clip, slide this option into the left side until you've got the mask, and then you just need to tap into the mask, go click circles, and then you just need to go invert it. Now you just need to find which area that you want to keep it blurred. Let's say I want to blur the teacher's face so that we will not gonna reveal the face of the teachers on the video for public. So you just need to place them there. It could be tricky because the area is quite small, so that would be like this. And now you just need to go click this checklist button, and here is the result. There will be like only one area being blurred here. That is so simple and easy, guys. So hopefully you enjoy this video, and let's meet again into other tutorial.